carrying on from this conversation, I think question 3 leads perfectly into it, which is what's needed to bring more builders and adoption into the ecosystem.
I think the stage, in my opinion, of building infrastructure is definitely well on. And the same way you build a city and you want to make sure transportation is great for your city to strive. We have obviously a lot of bridges around us, but what I would love to see is more projects thinking on how to bring tooling to bring more users, and not thinking of building the foundations and building the infrastructure, but like thinking of how do we bring more bridges, more pieces of software to maybe bring people in, making sure there is code available for applications to kind of help them to acquire users and land users more easily. So it's a lot of user experience, it's a lot maybe of affiliate modules, so that whoever builds within the Cosmos ecosystem will come with possibly part of an updated SDK, having an affiliate system to really help all these infrastructure players and new dApps to really acquire new users. I think the space overall has been shy on really thinking not only about infrastructure, but thinking how do we set our newcomers, new developers, new apps, new dApps being successful by giving them the tools to acquire users much faster. A little bit like the early internet, when Web 2's applications were not really ready to kind of scale customer acquisition, and I think this can be a really strong and impactful contribution to our space, is to get tooling and kind of also shift of mindset in a way. So we just think, okay, how do we make those guys successful in a more long-term way?